Hi everyone, my name is Umi Salimah binti Ilyas. I am from 2 Farabi. My college number is PB201073. So today in this video, I will interview some of people about balanced diet. So please enjoy the video.
Hi, hello. My name is Raya. I am 14 years old. I'm working as IT officer at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 15 kilo.
My name is Sumarni binti Saad. I'm a practicing lawyer in Penang. My age is 46 years old. My height is 173 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. What do I understand by the balanced diet? So a diet is all what we consume in a day. And a balanced diet is a diet that contains an adequate quantity of nutrients that we require in a day. So a diet that contains proper proportions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water necessary to maintain good health actually. So in order to achieve a balanced diet, one should be able to have fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, dairy, and oils in their diet. So do remember, a balanced diet supplies all nutrients to your body, what your body needs to work effectively.
Okay, about a balanced diet gives your body the nutrient it needs to function correctly. To get the nutrition you need, or most of your daily calories should come from fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and lean protein. Eating a balanced diet helps people maintain a good health and reduce their risk of disease. Yes, I implement a healthy diet in my daily meals.
So I'm actually implement healthy diet because I realize it is really important to do in order to protect my health. So in fact, up to 80% of the premature heart disease and stroke can be prevented through your life choices and habits, such as eating a healthy diet and being physically active. How do I maintain my health? So the most important is that I will make sure I take my breakfast every day, as it is really important starts of the day. So I will take bread with butter and a cup of coffee, or cereals with a glass of milk. So my lunch always a cup of rice with chicken or fish, but I will make sure vegetable must be part of my lunch. I seldom take rice for my dinner. Normally, I will have bihun or bread. I will have a glass of milk before I go to bed. I do take fruits, but not every day. However, I will make sure I have my vitamin C as my daily intake.
To maintain my health, I eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods. I enjoy plenty of fruits and eat vegetables. I reduce salt and sugar intake, drink plenty of water. I do avoid too much caffeine and also always be active and exercise at least 30 minutes of brisk walk every day. I also maintain a healthy body weight. And lastly, I get a plenty of sleep, at least 8 to 9 hours every day. Okay, thank you.